Hello Sagittarians, welcome to your annual reading for the year 2021. And in this reading, I'm going to be covering each and every aspect of your life, the guidance for which I'm going to deliver as and how I get it. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button along with the bell notification icon for me. And you're going to get messages and videos as and how I upload them. What messages for Sagittarians for the year 2021, please? For 2021. All right. Can I get one more card for Sagittarius for the year 2021, please? For the year 2021, what more messages? Give me one more card. Yeah, you get the Seven of Cups, right? Sagittarians, I feel like the overall energy for your year or your theme is to take care of your health and your finances. You are definitely moving in a direction where you're going to be a lot more cautious. You also get the Pisces energy, though you get the water signs very strongly, a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. You could be dealing with a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, or you may have a very strong one of these signs in your own chart. But you are definitely meeting a lot of people. You are looking to collaborate with them. You are going towards, I don't feel like this is a relationship for you, but like couple thing, but I feel like you're going towards a lot of people with open heart, or you're a lot more accepting in your relationships now, and you're getting to meet a lot of people also with the King of Cups and Six of Pentacles energy along with the Seven of Cups. I feel like Sagittarians, you are entering some very deep emotional connects here, and you're also going to feel the reciprocity from these people or these situations towards you. They may be coming forward to help you. Let me draw you some more cards. Why is the Seven of Cups energy here? Why is the Seven of Cups energy here? Please give me more clarity. Why is the Seven of Cups energy here? You get the card of the Empress in as a clarifier for the Seven of Cups energy. I feel like you could be thinking about too many directions or dimensions, or wanting to do too many things together, and you're going to be able to achieve a lot for yourself in the year 2021 with the Empress energy, because there's going to be clarity to you in situations that you previously felt lost in, and you're finally going to start working on your plans or your dreams that you've been holding yourself back from. You also get the card of the Emperor. You get the card of King of Air. Wow. Sagittarians, you are at the bottom of the deck. Let me show you first what you have. You have the Eight of Water. Sagittarians, you get the Empress and the Emperor in the same reading. So this is like the twin flame soulmate energy. This could be someone you're dealing with, or someone who could come into your life who would prove to be an equal or a very important person in your life. You could be collaborating with them. You could be in an important relationship with them, but this is coming in with a lot of speed for you, something you do not see right now when you're watching this reading, or you may be already around them. They could be around you, but I also feel like this has got to do, they're going to either help you restructure and discipline your life, but there's going to be a lot more clarity to you in your life after this person has stepped in around you. You're also getting the card of King of Air, which is the King of Swords energy. You are being asked to speak your mind with confidence. And if there is something you need professional advice with, do go out. Now is a good time. And you need to balance your emotional and mental states well in the year 2021. I feel like you've gone through a lot in the year 2020. And for some of you Sagittarians, this, I want to say saga. I don't know, I'm hearing the word saga in my head. The saga is continuing, but you are on top of the helm now. You are at a place where you're not so affected as you were getting affected when you were amidst this situation. And with the Eight of Water energy, with the Eight of Water is the Eight of Cups energy, there is a desire to move on for sure, and to attain a more meaningful life for yourself in the year 2021. This is bringing in a lot of emotional and spiritual growth for you. Let me get you some more cards. Can you give me more direction for Sagittarians in the year 2021, please? Sagittarians. Wow. So you get the card of the star, which is Aquarius energy. And along with Aquarius, you have the water signs Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You have um, Le- Libra and Taurus. You also have the Aries here. And you have all other air signs Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius again. With the card of the star, I feel like a lot of your hard times are over, and you should look forward to a time of opportunity and abundance, because a lot of happiness, enthusiasm is destined for you in the year 2021. Let me give you more cards for Sagittarians for the year 2021, please. I feel like I need to take this. You get the card of Judgment, which is wow. Okay, so you are going to go deep inside yourself. A lot of healing is going to happen from there, and everything you're learning about yourself and people and situations in your life right now is going to remain with you. This is like one big lesson coming into your life now in the year 2021, and you're growing like a sprout, not like a tree growing, like a sprout, just coming out. And let me get you more cards from the spirit first. You're growing in many areas of your life, and you're experiencing inner peace now. As the second half of the year sets in, you're going to see a lot more happier and a settled time than when the year begins for you, Sagittarians. Give me more messages for Sagittarians for the year 2021, please. For Sagittarius for year 2021, give me more. You get the card of recovery. You are recovering. I'm telling you, Sagittarius, whatever it was you've been dealing with in the past few months or past few years, you are recovering from that at the lightning speed. And you get the card of expansion, enlightenment, and completion. So how apt is that? You see, everything is happening the way it is supposed to. You're expanding. You are not going to feel stuck or be in the same situation where you were not able to spread your wings and fly. The enlightenment card here talks to me about you going deep inside, learning from your experiences, and allowing these experiences to become a part of your soul's learning. So the card of enlightenment is this is going to be there for you for the entire year. And with the card of completion, I get that whatever this was that has been carrying forward for you, maybe at the karmic level, or maybe in a relationship or a situation or people around you, this is completing in the year 2021. I feel like you're going to get done with it in the year 21, and that's why two things are happening for you. You are closing cycles, rising at a very fast pace, and you're creating something new and big at the same time. So you are not going to have a lot of time to think or sit at one place to reevaluate things the way they were in the past, because life is going to the energy of your 21, which is number 5. Mercurial energy is taking you forward very, very fast. Give me more cards, more guidance for Sagittarius, please. I take jumpers from the deck, whatever spirit wants to show me. We have 3 for you. You get the first light, you get view from above, you get navigating the stars. Beautiful cards you have. Like I said, you're leaving everything behind in the year 2020 and a little bit of 21, whatever does not serve your purpose. You're closing a cycle. So with the card of first light, you're definitely beginning a new cycle, a new phase in your life. And view from above says that you are now able to get the bigger picture, why things happen the way they did, why people behave the way they did, and why you had to go through all those things for yourself, for your growth. And with the navigating by the stars, you get follow your bliss. Whatever it is you have been wanting to bring into action, into life, do that in the year 2021, because this energy is going to propel you into the future with a lot of progress and success. Let me get you some messages from the spirit. I see vast vistas. The word that's coming to me, vast vistas. I see roads. I feel like the doorways and pathways are opening for you, helping you propel yourself in a new direction. If I'm seeing a catapult, it's like you're being catapulted into a new direction. I also see Scorpio energy. You could be dealing with a Scorpio. You could have a strong Scorpio in your chart, but there is a strong presence of a Scorpio or a Mars person around you. I'm also seeing butterfly. You're being divinely guided, Sagittarians. You could be seeing a lot of butterflies around you. Your spirit guides are just trying to tell you that they're there for you. You need to take care of your nose. It could be breathing. You need to take care of your forehead as well. I feel this is like the sinus area, the T zone. You need to take care of that. And some of you Sagittarians need to take care of your legs and your feet as well. So make sure your shoes are the soles are good, everything is repaired, everything is, you don't experiment with heels, whatever this is. You would understand as the time progresses. So all right, Sagittarians, I hope these messages help you, and until we meet again, make sure you drop a yes in the comment box below if you'd like me to send out a free reading to you. I'm going to reach out to you. Last time I announced, everybody who got a free reading, they have been very happy with their 30-minute sessions. Those who did not get a free reading from me, they got a free reading on Facebook where I go live. So make sure you're following me on all these platforms to be notified when I'm live. Until we meet again, bye bye. Stay safe and stay blessed.